Right by the Ganges River, there's a town called Dumraon. It's like a living history book. It's in Bihar, India, about 120 kilometers from the busy city of Patna. Dumraon has been around for centuries. It's seen empires rise and fall. Even though it's a small town, it's a big deal in India's story. Emperors and revolutionaries have walked its streets. From the Mauryas and Guptas to the Mughals and the British, Dumraon has seen it all. It's a mix of all these influences. Being right on the Ganges River made it a valuable spot for rulers. It was a major trading center connecting North and East India. Today, Dumraon is trying to find a balance between its awesome past and becoming a modern town. But one thing's for sure, Dumraon is tough. Its people and its history make it truly special. Dumraon's story is deeply intertwined with the legacy of the Dumraon Raj. They were not just rulers, they were like kings, and they played a crucial role in shaping the town's unique identity and culture. Back in 1709, a visionary leader named Raja Horal Singh laid the foundation of the Dumraon Raj. This was a time when the Mughal Empire was gradually weakening, creating opportunities for new powers to rise. After the Mughals launched an attack on Bhojpur, Raja Horal Singh made a strategic decision to establish Dumraon as his kingdom's capital. This decision marked the beginning of a period of remarkable growth and prosperity for the region. The Dumraon Raj, under the leadership of the Ujjainiya dynasty, flourished for over 200 years, leaving an indelible mark on history. The rulers of Dumraon were renowned not only for their patronage of the arts, but also for their prowess as formidable warriors and their efforts in fostering agricultural and infrastructural development in the region. The Dumraon Palace stands as a grand testament to the architectural brilliance and cultural richness of the Raj. It's more than just a building. It's a symbol of the town's royal heritage and illustrious past. The palace's design is a harmonious blend of Mughal and Rajput architectural styles, showcasing the fusion of Indian art and culture. However, the impact of the Dumraon Raj extends far beyond the walls of the palace. Even though the Raj came to an end in 1947 with India's independence, the people of Dumraon continue to take immense pride in their rich historical legacy and cultural heritage. Dumraon is like a big melting pot of cultures. Different communities live together peacefully, sharing their traditions and beliefs. You'll find Hindus, Muslims, and other religious groups, all adding to the town's energy. During festivals, Dumraon comes alive. The streets smell like incense, you hear devotional music, and kids are laughing and playing. Diwali, the festival of lights, makes Dumraon sparkle with thousands of lamps. Holi, the festival of colors, turns Dumraon into a rainbow as people celebrate spring by throwing colored powder and water at each other. Even Eid ul-Fitr, the end of Ramadan, is a big celebration in Dumraon. Families have big meals, share gifts and sweets, and their homes smell like delicious biryani and sewai. For Dussehra, which celebrates good over evil, Dumraon has Ramlila plays. They act out the Ramayana story. Dumraon's diversity is what makes it strong and lively. Life in Dumraon follows the tropical weather and the monsoons. The year has different seasons, each one changing the town's colors and how people farm. Summer hits Dumraon in March, and it gets really hot. Temperatures go over 40 degrees Celsius. The sun is super strong. The Ganges River becomes super important for people and animals because the water level goes down. But then, relief arrives with the monsoon in June, bringing much-needed rain. The dry land comes back to life, turning everything green. Farmers get excited because the rain means a good harvest. Winter comes in November, and the weather changes again. It's nice and cool, between 5 to 25 degrees Celsius. People in Dumraon aren't sleepy anymore because it's not so hot. Springtime is short between winter and summer. It comes in February and brings new life everywhere. Exploring Dumraon's landmarks. Dumraon may seem like a simple town, but it's full of surprises. It has amazing historical buildings and religious places. The Dumraon Palace is huge and easy to spot. If you love history, you have to see it. The rulers of the Dumraon Raj built it in the 1700s, and it shows how wealthy and powerful they were. The palace has big courtyards, balconies with beautiful carvings and impressive gateways. It's like stepping back in time. If you're looking for peace and quiet, visit the Shiv Mandir. It's a very old temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. It's right by the Ganges River, and many people visit, especially during the Maha Shivaratri festival. The Sone River, which flows into the Ganges, also goes through Dumraon, making it even prettier. Another hidden gem is the mausoleum of the Nawab, a tomb from the Mughal times. the heartbeat of Dumraon, agriculture and beyond. Dumraon depends on agriculture, especially the fertile land around the Ganges River. Farming is super important to the town's economy and how people earn a living. The soil is perfect for growing crops, thanks to the Ganges Delta. Rice, the main food in the region, is grown everywhere. Wheat, corn, lentils and sugarcane are also important crops. But Dumraon grows more than just the basics. The town is famous for its delicious mangoes, which smell as good as they taste. Many people also make a living from handicrafts, which shows Dumraon's artistic side. The town is known for its Madhubani paintings, made with natural colors on cloth or paper. Pathways to progress, education and connectivity. Dumraon, a town rich in history and culture, is on a journey of transformation. Just like many places in India, Dumraon is changing. The streets are bustling with activity and the people are embracing new opportunities. It's trying to hold on to its traditions while becoming more modern. The blend of traditional markets and modern buildings showcases this unique transition. Education and good transportation are really important for the town's future. The sight of school buses and students walking to school is a testament to the town's commitment to education. Dumraon has lots of schools and colleges giving people chances to learn and improve their skills. These institutions are the backbone of the town's educational framework. Dumraon High School, built in the 1900s, has been super important for education in the town. It has nurtured generations of students, shaping the future of Dumraon. Many doctors, engineers, teachers and business people went there. The alumni of Dumraon High School have made significant contributions in various fields, bringing pride to their alma mater. Dumraon College offers more advanced learning in arts, science and business, so people don't have to go far to continue their studies. This college is a beacon of higher education in the region. Good roads and internet are also super important for Dumraon to grow. The newly paved roads and widespread use of mobile phones indicate the town's progress in connectivity. The town has good roads connecting it to other places in Bihar, like Patna, Buxar and Varanasi. These connections are vital for trade, travel and communication. Dumraon Junction, a train station on the main line between Howrah and Delhi, connects the town to the rest of Bihar and beyond. This railway station is a lifeline, ensuring that Dumraon remains connected to the broader world. Navigating the challenges, embracing the future. Even though Dumraon has a rich history, amazing culture and friendly people, it still has problems, just like other small towns in India. The town is a blend of the old and the new, where tradition meets modernity, but this blend also brings its own set of challenges. Things like not enough good roads, limited job opportunities, and hospitals that aren't well equipped are some of the challenges Dumraon needs to overcome. The roads, often riddled with potholes, make transportation difficult, affecting daily life and commerce. The town's infrastructure is getting better, but still needs work, especially in the villages outside of town. New construction projects are a sign of progress, but there's still a long way to go to meet the needs of the growing population. Not having enough jobs, especially for young people, is a big worry. The lack of employment opportunities forces many to leave their hometown in search of better prospects, which impacts the local economy and community spirit. Many young people have to move to bigger cities to find work because there aren't enough factories and offices in Dumraon. This migration trend is a double-edged sword, offering better opportunities but also leading to a brain drain. Hospitals in Dumraon are basic, and people often have to go to Buxar or Patna for serious health problems. The lack of advanced medical facilities means that even treatable conditions can become life-threatening. But even with these challenges, the people of Dumraon are hopeful. Their optimism is fueled by a strong sense of community and a shared vision for a better future. They are known for being tough and resourceful, and they are working hard to make life better for themselves and their kids. Farmers and artisans continue to uphold traditional crafts and agriculture, contributing to the town's unique identity. Dumraon, with its fascinating past, lively culture, and determined people, has the potential to become a success story for rural India. The town's festivals and markets are a testament to its vibrant spirit and the resilience of its people.